Right then, we're not getting an announcement, but it is time. There we go.
Our next station stop now is Acocks Green.
There we go, and that's where we will be spending the next half an hour or so as we continue our core section of the Snow Hill Line sessions. And we'll kick off at Acocks Green in the same way that we finished at Tysley. At the right end as well. Let's get started here at Acocks Green with the departure of 172-005 and 172-338 working 2 Charlie 43 with the 1133 West Midlands Railway service from Worcester Foregate Street through to Dorridge. First fast action of the session now, we'll see 220024 passing for cross country. Passing 1 minute late with 1 Victor 85 from Reading to Newcastle to Reading. Here it comes again. DR 73293. Passing with, I assume it's under the same head code. Yeah, I'm going to assume it is. Yeah, 6 Juliet 00 from Stourbridge Junction Depot to Stourbridge Junction Depot. And next up will be the Voyagers. Ah, what a horrible noise. It's got some good speed on it, to be fair. I'll be real, the same issues as yesterday are starting to pile up again. A few cancellations. Looking at it, I'm going to play it safe and call it at Acocks Green. And then either tomorrow or the day after, I think I'll have one more crack at this line to get to Alton, Solihull, Witney Manor and Dorridge. So let's try and finish up in style at Acocks Green. Because as we see the arrival of 172 101 and 172 103 with 2 Victor 48 and the 1149 West Midlands Railway service from Stratford upon Avon to Kidderminster, we will see the rumbling pass of 82, I assume it's 305 and 68013 with set AL01 with 1 Hotel 41 for Chiltern Railways from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone. I don't know why I went west in there, but London Marylebone. It's 172, so I'm actually tweaking the plan a little bit. Let's go to Solihull. We can do this. Yeah, if we can get to Solihull, then I think we're all right to carry on future. Oh, I can hear that coming around the corner just now. Cannot beat a loco hauled set. Yeah, it is the 82. Alright then, there go the 172s. Very good. Okay then, next up we should see the pass of 16... Wait. Oh my god, we're getting 2 loco hauled sets. That is brilliant. 2 loco hauled sets in one session. That's an absolute treat. Because passing next for Chiltern, under the head code 1 Romeo 21 from London Marylebone to Birmingham Moor Street on time with set AL04 is 68015. Look at that. Have a look at that. Two loco hauled sets in one session. You cannot beat that. Right, next up, we should see. I think it might be our train out of here to Alton that comes in next. I want to say. Just have a quick look to make sure we're not missing anything else. But no, we should get freight at Alton hopefully. Next up. Yeah, it will be the arrival of 172333 with 2 Delta 47 and the 1203 West Midlands Railway service to finish us up at Worcester, Acocks Green from Worcester Shrub Hill to Stratford upon Avon. Alright then, here it comes to finish us up. In what's been a loco haul dominated session at Acocks Green. And here come the 172s that, as previously mentioned, will take us on to Alton. And as previously stated, it is 172333, and as that arrives in, you know what I'm going to say, that is a good session at Acocks Green done.